A warm good morning to all. Today we are going to start a new lesson, White Mice. Here you will get a lot of fun from this story because you already done a wonderful story based on your ads, isn't it? Before going to that, shall I ask you one question? Do you all like the picnics, one-day tours? Yes. Anyway, I knew that you all like that because you all like to enjoy or entertain in the parks, beaches with their parents, isn't it? Anyway, this is the story based on such a kind of experience of a little boy. His summer vacation, how he spent his summer vacation. And is it a bad one or a happy one? That is the theme, that is the content in the story. Shall we start the story? Yes, it is White Mice. I already gave you the meaning of mice. It's a plural of mouse. So here we get a wonderful, beautiful, a cute mouse. That is, they are in white in colors. The white mice. What is connection between the white mice and the little boy? That is the link, or that is a theme that we find from the story White Mice. Before that, I just read the introduction. You may please open your textbook and go through it. The story is narrated by a little boy. He was to return to his parents after his summer vacations. His uncle Ken, who comes to the station to see him off, puts him on the wrong train. When the boy realizes the mistake his uncle made, he gets down at Lucknow and sends a telegram to his grandfather. The kind station master, Mr. Ghosh, keeps the boy safe till his grandfather reaches Lucknow and invites him to his house. So in the story White Mice, we have four characters. The major characters are a little boy, second one Mr. Ghosh. He is a kind station master. A very kind person. He is a station master of Lucknow railway station. And the third person is Uncle Ken. Uncle Ken is the uncle of the little boy. And the last one, grandfather, the little boy's grandfather. So they are the major characters in the story White Mice. And what happened in the boy's life in his summer vacation? That is a very funny experience that he got from his summer vacation. Anyway, we just go to the story. Mr. Ghosh's house was just behind the station. So, Mr. Ghosh, who is Mr. Ghosh? He is a station master. He is very kind in his nature, very kind person. And he brought me a cup of sweet milky tea and 2 large rasgullas. So, who is me refers here? Yes, it is a speaker or the narrator. The speaker or the narrator, that is the little boy. So the little boy said that Mr. Ghosh's house was just behind the station. So there is the mentioning of the station is Lucknow railway station. And how the speaker is reached there? It is a twist. The little boy reached at the house of Mr. Ghosh's house, that is behind the railway station, Lucknow railway station. And how the little boy reached at the house of the station master? Yes, so that is we have to clear from this lesson. He brought me a cup of milky tea and 2 large rasgullas. So here the station master gives him 2 rasgullas and a large cup of tea, cup of sweet milky tea. And why the station master give such things to the little boy? Because the little boy comes to the station master's house unexpectedly. That is a twist happened in his life. Do you know how he reached in his house? Yes, because his uncle Ken, who comes to the station to see him off, after he complete his summer vacation from his grandfather's or uncle's house, his uncle just take him to send to his own place, his own native place, to his parents. But what happened on the way to his house? Yes, he puts him on the wrong train. His uncle Ken puts him on the wrong train. Anyway, the boy realized the truth. He can understood that. He can understood that he boarded on the wrong train. Anyway, he just find it easily, and when the boy realizes the mistake his uncle made, he gets down at Lucknow and sends a telegram to his grandfather. Anyway, he gets down at Lucknow railway station and sends a telegram to his grandfather. What do you mean by telegram? Yes, telegram means a short message sent by telegraph. Telegram means a short message sent by telegraph. Anyway, he sent a telegram to his grandfather, that is he misboarded the train. Anyway, the kind station master, Mr. Ghosh, keeps the boy safe till his grandfather reaches Lucknow and invites him to his house. Anyway, the station master is so kind, that's why he takes that little boy to his own house. And he just wait for his grandfather. Okay, so this is the situation. That's why the kind station master gives him the tea, rasgullas, etc. for the boy, to the little boy, for his relaxation. Anyway, now let me show you my family, he said. So here begins the conversation between the station master and the little boy. Now let me show you my family, he said, and he took me by the hand and led me to a veranda at the back of the house. So he just take the boy to the back of his house, and it is a veranda, there is a veranda, and there he saw the wonderful scene. What is that? Yes, there was a miniature railway complete with a station, railway bungalows, signal boxes, and next to it a miniature fairground complete with swings, a roundabout and a Ferris wheel. 15 to 20 white mice were dancing on the roundabout and a Ferris wheel. Another dozen or so ran in and out of the tunnels and climbed up on a toy train. Mr. Ghosh passed a button, and the train and the little train, crowded with white mice, left the station and went rattling off to the far corner of the veranda. So here the boys see the wonderful scene of a miniature of a railway station. Okay, so you may please go through what are the scenes the boy found in the veranda, on the veranda, and try to find out the answers of true or not true. You just do this activity, say true or not true. Okay, so this is the activity for you after you read the portion. Thank you.